Further, okay, moving forward. Next heading that we will write, what happened? Stereo chemistry of SN1. Stereochemistry of SN1. Okay. Now, let's start. Now, I hope you understand. Let's talk about this question. This one. We are throwing this molecule in water. So if you want to match the condition, you can easily match here. Like you are having one molecule, you are having good leaving group, you are having polar protic
Yes,
solvent. This is 2 degree substrate, moderate temperature. Everything suggests that we should go for SN1. Okay.
SN1. Yes.
First of all, Cl will leave. You'll get here plus. Now this plus is sp2 hybridized, isn't it? This carbocation is sp2 hybridized, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
sp2 hybridized has shape planar, means it is like this only. Let me show you. It is this type of shape. Or should make in a different manner. Like it is not a square planar. It should be like this. This. These angles are 120 degrees, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This is, let's say, G1, this is, let's say, G2, this is, let's say, G3. Now, this is your nucleophile. This carbon is bearing positive charge on it. Tell me, from which direction this nucleophile should attack? See, I am drawing the direction possible. You tell me. Don't draw this, just understand, okay? No need to draw. See, these are the possible directions. Like one where, see, this G1, G2, G3 are attached. These are G I have written, okay? These all are G. So either you can approach from direction G1, or you can approach from G2, or you can approach from G3, or you can approach from the top or bottom of the plane. Can you tell me from which direction nucleophile will easily approach to carbocation?
Sir, from top, sir.
Top or bottom? This is the option. Are you getting this?
Yes.
So
Yes.
I don't think there is so much to discuss here. I just need to tell you one thing. It will be easier for nucleophile to attack from top of the plane and bottom of the plane, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that I'm writing here, it is planar. Now next step is attack of water, that is nucleophile. So I'm writing about this. Nucleophile can attack from top of the plane or from bottom of the plane, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Either it will attack from top of the plane or it will attack from the bottom of the plane. Now I hope it is clear. Okay, so there are two
Yes, sir.
possibilities. Either you will get this OH. Of course, minus H plus will be there. Okay, we saw it yesterday. Or you can have this. Can you see what I did here?
Yes, sir.
There are two possibilities, like this or like this. I hope you understand this carbon is chiral.
Yes, sir.
So you are getting two products here. Two products, isn't it? this and this. One will be R and one will be S. So what is happening in this mechanism? Is it, can you understand this thing? These two are enantiomers. These two are enantiomers. Can you feel this thing? Hello?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
feel this thing that both will be enantiomer? One is going top of the plane, one going bottom of the plane, just opposite.
Yes.
Okay.
So, but they can't be enantiomers. No, sir.
Why not? See, R and S. R and S.
Yes, sir.
One will be R, so other will be S. If you want, you can write the RS also. No problem. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
One will be R, so other will be S. So this is racemization going on. That implies racemization occurs. Oh, you don't write this last line. Write up to this. Everything. Don't write this. Write it fast.
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let me write here. If attack of chiral or attack of nucleophile generates a new chiral carbon, or to be very specific, if this new chiral carbon is only chiral carbon, generates a new chiral carbon, always racemization occurs. Always racemization occurs. During racemization, inverted product is formed in more quantity. Therefore, in SN1, 100% racemization doesn't occur. In SN1, 100% racemization doesn't occur. This phenomenon can be explained by intimate ion pair effect. इसको नोट कर लेना. मतलब क्या होता है? What happens really? Let's say कि your carbocation is generated. Now carbocation will undergo nucleophilic attack, and this nucleophile is generating new chiral carbon. Okay. Now the new chiral carbon which is being generated, that is, if suppose that is the only chiral carbon, so you will always see that racemization is going on. Okay. Now what happens during racemization? Inverted product is formed in major amount. Inverted product is formed in major amount means let's say your nucleophile, let's say your what do we call it? Okay, you completed, then I'll say. And this phenomena can be explained by intimate Ampere effect. Means it will not be right. It will not be like your mixture, the whatever solution you will get, that will be optically inactive. No, that's what I'm also writing. Therefore, product of SN1 containing chiral carbon will not be optically inactive. Means in these two enantiomer, out of these two, one will be formed in major amount. Either this or this, one will be formed in major amount. So that since both are not equal amount, both are not in equal amount, that's why 100% racemization will not occur. Partial racemization will occur. Okay, let's understand what I mean to say.
Sir, after explanation, could you show the previous slide alone, sir?
This one.
Sir, after explanation, sir.
After explanation, what?
Could you show this previous slide? This
Yes,
slide,
yes,
sir.
of course I can. Should I show you the example? Now, let me show you. Let's say if we have this, we threw this thing in water, we got two products. We got this, we have done this already. And we got this as well, isn't it? We got two molecules only, na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
These two molecules we got. Now, I hope you understand that in question Cl is on wedge. In question Cl is on wedge.
It's on wedge.
Since Cl is on wedge, so you will get more amount of dash.
Oh.
Inverted product is always formed in major amount. Let's say if Cl was on dash, again two products will be formed. This plus this. But this time, this will be major and this will be minor. This phenomena can be explained by intimate ion pair effect. Intimate ion pair effect says, it is not in our syllabus, but I will say because it is very easy. Intimate ion pair effect says that when this Cl will leave, let's say this Cl is present, and when this Cl will leave, what will I get? I will get this carbocation and I will get Cl minus. But this Cl minus will not be like is so far from this carbocation. Means it will still be in an attraction with this positive. It will still be in attraction with this positive. Now, can you tell me if Cl minus is in the attraction of this positive, so will Cl leave carbocation permanently?
Sir, no, sir.
No,
Like
Cl
we'll
minus
have
will not
transition
leave.
state.
It will no. It will be just like I left the home. Let's say when you leave your home. So is it permanent? Means when you go outside, is it
No,
permanent that
sir.
you stay in vicinity to your what do we call it, your home. So that in the same manner, the Cl minus also lives in surrounding of this plus. So let's say now nucleophile has to approach. So tell me, from where nucleophile can easily attack? From the side where Cl is present, or from the opposite side of Cl?
From opposite side of CL,
That
sir.
is why whenever your Cl is on wedge, so you get major product from dash. Whenever Cl is on dash, we get major product on wedge. This is called intimate ion pair effect. Intimate, I hope you are familiar with word intimate. Cl minus and plus, this anion and cation, they are quite intimate with each other. That's why they don't leave each other permanently until unless both get settled out. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a second. So I hope it is clear to you. Major product will always be formed from the backside atom. Are you getting this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's. So this is a stereochemistry of what do we say? SN1. Do you need to see the back slide, or is it okay now?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now
Once I'll note it down alone, sir.
you want to note. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This slide.
Yes, sir.
Complete it fast. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one more thing I said ki let's say this chiral carbon is the only chiral carbon. What do I mean by this? Let's understand. Let's say if I have this. No. This question will give you wrong answer. Wait a second. Let's say you threw this thing in water. Okay. Wait a second. One more mistake I made. Or do one thing. Attach here D. Do you know D?
Yes, sir.
Deuterium. Very well. Now, let's say you threw this thing in water. What will happen now? Again, same thing. Carbocation, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Carbocation. And then what will happen? Attack of water. Now again, you will get two compounds and drawing them directly. No rearrangement of carbocation occur, okay? Already it is 3 degree. Now I hope you understand this. Product are clear to you? Products?
Yes.
Now if somebody asks you, is it racemization?
We are having only one chiral nose.
Racemization going on. If suppose somebody asks you, can we say that racemization is going on? You say no.
Yes, sir.
You say no, it is not racemization. Why? Because I hope you understand that you are already having a chiral carbon here. Can you see?
Yes,
You are
sir.
having a chiral carbon already from the beginning of this game. Now you got a new chiral carbon here. You got a new chiral carbon here, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, did we touch this previous carbocation, this carbocation? Did we touch it?
Which?
This one.
No, sir.
This is completely unaffected site. This is completely unaffected side. You haven't touched here. So let's say if it was R in the beginning. Let's say if it was R in the beginning. Tell me what will be the configuration here, R or S?
R only, sir.
R only. We did not touch this. Or let's say if it was S. Let's say if it was S. So it will be this time, it will be R. Sorry, it will be S. Means no changes will occur because reaction is not happening there, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But these two, let's say this new chiral carbon, they could be both. They could be R or they could be S.
Yes.
Are you getting this? So you will get a combination. You will get a combination of RSR, RSS. Are you getting this? You will get a combination. Let's pick one from here. Let's pick one. Should I pick R or should I pick S?
So R, sir.
Let's say I picked R. So now you will get a combination of RR and you will get a combination of RS. Tell me,
RS.
are they enantiomer?
No, sir.
No. Since they are not enantiomer, so I will say ki what is going on? Racemization? No. I will
Yes.
have only and only dimerization. Oh, diastereomization. Just say we have got no term for that. You can say racemization is not going on. No racemization as we get pair of diastereomer. Okay, completed.
Yes.
Very good. Moving to the next point. So tell me, where racemization will occur? Where racemization will occur?
Where you only one new chiral carbon is formed.
I'm right. I'm asking you the question. Don't worry. Question is coming. And draw the major product as well. In which case you will get to see racemization. Or they can ask you like this, how many products like that? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I will solve one. We in the class only we will solve one. Rest we will solve in homework. You can say. Tell me which one should I select? First, second, third, fourth. Whatever you say, I will solve it for you. Rest three you have to solve.
So we'll select fourth, sir.
Fourth, you choose the easiest one. Okay. Let's see. Fourth. Fourth, we are having this. And we threw this thing in water. I hope you understand. First of all, this carbocation will be formed, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Cl will leave. Then what will happen next? Carbocation is stable or unstable?
Unstable.
It is 2 degree. It is fairly stable. But can it become more stable?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How? If I somehow bring the carbocation on 1.
One.
If I bring the carbocation on 1, it will become more stable. Are you getting this?
Yes,
Why
sir.
it will become more stable? Can you tell me?
Because we'll get
At this time, he is having 5 alpha hydrogen. At this time, it is having 5 alpha hydrogen. But if you do this, we call it 1,2 hydride shift. If you perform this, we'll get this. Now, alpha hydrogen are 2 alpha hydrogen only. So, have we become more stable or less stable?
less stable, sir.
No, more stable. Because we have got one more thing.
Resonance.
Resonance from the benzene ring, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So now what will happen in next step? Water will attack. So you will get two products. Either this or this. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
I hope you can see it is carbocation, chiral carbon. It is chiral carbon
Chiral.
and it is the only chiral carbon. So it is your freshly prepared chiral carbon. Tell me racemization will occur or not?
Sir, it will occur, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's solve one more. Solve third here only. Third one. Solve this third one here only. I'm drawing third for you.
In third also it will be possible, sir.
Racemization is possible.
Yes, sir.
Did you draw the major product?
Major product, like how will find the major product, sir?
Oh,
Yeah.
see, first of all, did you do this or not?
Yes, I know. I shifted to first carbon, like topmost carbons.
And then I hope you showed this hydride shifting as well.
Yes, sir.
Now there are two possibilities. Let's say as soon as this carbocation was formed, water could have attacked. So in that case, you will get this product. Or you could have waited for carbocation to get shifted and you would have got this. We call
Yes, sir.
this major product. Why?
I got only this, sir.
This is formed in the wait a second. This is more stable carbocation. You getting this?
Yes, sir.
That's why it is major. And this will be what? This will be called minor. This will be called minor.
Mine. Yes, sir.
Now in minor product, you got two chiral carbon.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Out of these two, you got one is freshly prepared, one is just prepared. Which one is that? OH1 or CS31?
OH1.
OH1. This was previously present.
Yes, sir.
So I will say one thing. It could be either R or S. I don't care about this. This could be either R or S. It will not be both. It will be just one only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what about this?
It will be
It will be both R or S.
or
You're getting this? It will be
Yes, sir.
both. So you'll get a combination. Combination of what? You will get combination of RR and you get
RR.
SS,
RS.
RS. Are you getting this thing? Either this will happen or this will happen. So will racemization occur?
No, sir.
No, no racemization. So first of all, we don't talk about minor product in general. We don't talk about minor product. Now what about major product? Do we have a chiral carbon in major product?
Yes, sir.
Where is that?
No, sir. We don't have, sir. No chiral carbons.
So will there be any racemization?
No, sir.
No racemization. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Now this question can be asked like in which of the following case molecule will lose optical activity. So this might be the example. Earlier molecule was optically active. Now molecule is optically inactive. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's move.
Once can you show the questions, sir? The 4 questions.
These are the questions.
Great.
Copy it, sir.
Okay, good.
Great.
Ring expansion. If
So 4x means multiple of 4, sir.
here it is 4. Oh, this
Only
is
4. Yes.
only 4. Please write this. If a 4-member or 5-member ring is connected with a positive charge right outside the ring, that is, carbon which is connected to ring holds positive, ring expands. That is, 4-member ring expands to 5-member ring, 5-member expands to 6-member ring, but 3-member does not expand to 4-member. Please note this. Once written, let me know. Written?
Yes, sir.
Now, what do I mean by this? Let's say if I ask you this question. Suppose if I ask you, what will be the most stable carbocation or rearranged carbocation from this figure? Okay. So you have one option. I hope you understand it is 1-degree carbocation. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
And I hope you can see hydrogen here as well. So one thing comes in our mind, we can always shift this hydrogen. What we will get here? We'll get here positive, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
We will get positive now. Once we got positive here, so it feels like here we were having just one alpha hydrogen, and here we are having 7 alpha hydrogen. So now we are in very happy condition, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
But this does not happen. It doesn't happen. Why? Because from one end you are becoming stable, and from the other end you are becoming highly unstable. How? Let's see. I hope you recognize that this carbon has hybridization sp3, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Means ideal bond angle is what?
So 109.28.
When you say point, you should say 5. 109.5 degree.
Yes.
Okay. When you say 28, so you should say 109 degree 28 minutes.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. So it will be like ideal bond angle should be 109.5 degree.
So this is for
But
4-member or 3-member, sir?
4-member. But actual bond angle is what? Actual bond angle. Can you tell me what is this bond angle?
190.
120 or 90, sir.
It is 90 degree, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So it will suffer some strain. It will suffer some angular strain. If somebody asks you angular strain is present, you say yes, it is present. Now, in second case, now also actual strain is, actual bond angle is 90 degree, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, what about this? What about this hybridization here?
Sir, sp2, sir.
So what should be ideal bond angle?
So 120, sir.
Tell me what will happen to angular strain?
Presence.
No, I mean to say yes, present, but is it higher than previous one or is it lower than previous one?
So it's higher, sir.
It is higher. Why? Because earlier ideal angle was 109.5. So there was just a gap of 19 degree. Now ideal angle is 120. So gap has raised to 30 degree. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
So that's why angle strain is what? It is increased. That's why Maulik ion doesn't rearrange like this. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
So your carbocation will not rearrange like this, but it wants to become stable. It wants to become stable. So it will choose some different path. Let me show you. Have you written this?
Writing, sir.
Right. Completed. Completed.
Once, sir.
Okay.
So over, sir.
Over na? Sure, chalo.
Yes, sir.
Let's move to what actually happens. If this does not happen, so what actually happens? Let's see. Now, as we discussed yesterday, your drawing room cannot make small change. Means hydrogen cannot be shifted. So will we go for hydrogen shifting now, or will we go for a bigger shifting?
Bigger shifting, sir.
Bigger
Bigger
shifting.
shiftings.
So what will happen? This carbon means, let me show you. This carbon, which is drawing room carbon, it will ask either of these two carbon to move to carbocation. To move to carbocation. Are you getting this? Just like it happens. I hope you remember yes from yesterday. If we are having this, what happens? Either this carbon moves here or this carbon moves here. Remember?
Yes, sir.
In the
Yes, sir.
similar manner, very same thing will happen here as well. Either this will start forming bond with this carbocation, or this one will start forming. Tell me, I need to do one. Which one should I do? Bottom one or top one? Tell me.
Bottom one, sir.
You are saying bottom one, so I'm removing top one.
So you can do anything, sir.
Yes, symmetric case. That's why I asked you. Now, once you start doing that, you will have this. Just a second. Huh? Just a second. I made a small mistake. Let it be this only. This should be connected with join. What will happen? This bond will start breaking, which I have shown in the first figure, and this bond will also start breaking like this. Are you getting this? Just like we did in the previous case. Yesterday we did it, and in the end we will get this. Let me write the numbers on carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you tell me who will bear positive now?
5.
5. I hope you remember drawing room carbon bears positive always. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you draw it correctly, it will look like this. 5 numbering, na?
Ah.
Positive. So this is the, here you have 4 alpha hydrogen first of all, and less angle strain, isn't it? Angle strain will increase. Angle strain will increase or angle strain will tell me. If we compare it with 4-member ring, if we compare it with 4-member ring, so angle strain is increased or angle strain is decreased?
So angle strain is decreased, sir.
Please, we have already discussed 4-member has more angle strain as
Yes,
compared
sir.
to 5-member. So this is the most stable carbocation here, isn't it? I hope it is clear. Let me show you one more question. You have to draw it on your own. Draw the most stable carbocation here. Again, 4-member ring bearing positive charge right outside of the ring. Definitely ring will expand. Definitely ring will expand.
Which is on the left side of the drawing, like adjacent carbon will get
What?
migrated. No?
What?
Which is on the leftmost will get migrated. No, sir.
This.
No, sir. Like,
This.
yes, sir.
Yes. Let's see. Can we solve it?
Yes, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Again, I will show you both the pathways. Then we will decide which one will happen, which will not happen. Okay. One I will show by red color. One I will show by green color. First of all, I will show you the green color. Green color will be like if this will start forming bond, this bond will start breaking. So eventually, I am going to get this. Let's write the numbers of the carbons so that we don't forget number of carbons. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Exact same thing I'm trying to do. Okay. Exact same thing. You got this only now. If we shift from green side, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now again, it could show hydride shifting. Again, hydride shifting is possible. So you got this. Okay. Now let's see if what if I have shown the expansion from the orange side. If I had shown expansion from the orange side, something like this will happen. isn't it? Just a second. I have drawn slightly wrong. Let me write the numbers once again. Tell me where plus will go. Plus will go to 2, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Ultimately, we are going to get this. Ultimately, we are going to get this. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, even if you feel, now if I make hydroid shift, let's say I shifted hydride. How many alpha hydrogen you can see here? I hope you can see here 4 alpha hydrogen. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, when you show hydride shifting, you get this. How many alpha hydrogen you have now? 3 alpha hydrogen. Can you count it? Now
Yes, sir.
in this case, we have 3 alpha hydrogen. So tell me, will this step take place? 4 alpha hydrogen to 3 alpha hydrogen? You say no.
No, sir.
You say no. Why? Because you are becoming less stable. So less stability will not be achieved. Are you getting this? So
Yes, sir.
the expansion from 3 will not take place. Expansion from third side will not take place. From which side expansion will take place? From which side expansion will take place?
Sir, you wrote the numbers here and there differently.
No, no.
Here you wrote 3.
Where I wrote 3.
So in the first you wrote
Okay, that is so
3.
different. I wrote here only. Okay, fine. If you want to correct it, you can correct. Don't worry. Let's see. 2, it was not 2. It is not 3. It is not 5. It is not 6. It's a very small thing, and it will be corrected. Means you want is I should show 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, isn't it?
Yes.
So 1 here, 2 here. Oh, sorry. 1. This will become now 3, I think. No?
Yes, sir.
4,
Yes, sir.
5. Okay. So everything is same, just carbocation numbering got changed. So I hope you are getting what I've done here.
Yes, sir.
So which path will be chosen? Expansion from the expansion from the fifth, or expansion from the sixth? Tell me.
So from third, sir.
Yes, sir.
I mean, if you choose, if you, from which side I will do the expansion? From third
Yes, sir.
carbon or from fifth carbon?
Fifth carbon, sir.
Fifth carbon. And yesterday I told you one thing. If you wish to keep your carbocation closer to someone, if you wish to keep your carbocations closer to someone, will you migrate that, or will you keep it with you only?
We'll
Let's say
keep
I
it with
want,
it.
we will keep it with it. No? Means if we
Yes,
want
sir.
CS3 to be closer to carbocation, we will never expand from the CS3. We will
Yes, sir.
never expand it from CS3. We will always expand from where? Opposite side. Is this thing
Yes, sir.
clear? So the very same thing I did here. I wanted my carbocation to be closer to this plus. I
Yes,
wanted
sir.
my carbocation closer to the CS3. So since I
Yes,
wanted
sir.
my carbocation to be closer to the CS3, that's why I expanded from this side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I hope it is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Draw the most stable carbocation. Draw the most stable carbocation here. Draw it fast. And once you have drawn, let me give you a good question. I have written we can go for hydride shifting or alkyl shifting for more than once, provided each step will give us more stable carbocation as compared to previous one. Just like in the previous question, we went for 2 time shifting, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Have you drawn most stable carbocation here?
Yes, sir.
So I'm writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say it is 6. Let us say it is 7. So there are again two options. Again two options. You can shift hydride. Once you shift hydride, you'll get this. And it is fairly stable.
Yes, sir.
I'm not saying it is unstable, it is fairly stable, but you can get more stable than that. Can you tell me, will ring expansion take place or not? Will ring expansion take place or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it will take place. But tell me, from side 2 or from side 5?
Side 2, sir.
From where you want to keep your carbocation closer? You want your carbocation closer to 5, or you want your carbocation to be far from 5?
Closer to 5, sir.
Closer to 5,
So
sir.
that's why I always expand from second side.
Yes, sir.
This bond will start breaking, and you'll start getting this. This is the most stable carbocation here, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shallow then. One more for homework. Tell me which one is better, this lighter one or the previous one?
Sir,
Which one is better? The one
it's like
biotech,
this one, sir. This one is
this
only
one is
better, sir.
better?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So draw the most stable carbocation in this case. Okay. So this will be your homework. Hint, you may get to see expansion more than once. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hello then. We will see each other tomorrow again. Okay.
Sir, we'll expand today's class, sir.
No, I think this is enough for today. I gave you some questions on SN1, SN2 today only, na?
Yes, sir.
So I want you to solve those. Now you can solve all the question of that sheet. SN1, at least SN1 you can easily solve. I have to start SN2 now.
Yes, sir.
And as before I said, okay, 10, 15 minutes more I can give. One or two more cases I can discuss. Right here. Some other cases of SN1. Some other cases of SN1. This will help you in solving questions of sheet. Now let's say we have ROH. What we have done, we have SN1. I'm writing here case number 1 for 2 degree or 3 degree alcohols. For 2 degree or 3 degree alcohols. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In bracket, majorly for 3 degree. So for that purpose, we need to have knowledge of SN2 as well. Okay, fine. So I will take general case. I will take a case of this. Let's say I have this OH. Okay. I am treating it with HCl. I am treating it with HCl. Now they will ask you the product. How will we approach to this question? Let's see. I hope you understand HCl is nothing but it is H plus and Cl minus, isn't it? HCl is nothing
Yes,
but
sir.
it is H plus and Cl minus. Now I hope you see this thing as well. Here H plus can approach to the lone pair of oxygen. Can you see this?
Oxygen.
Cl minus will not go to lone pair. Only lone pair of oxygen will approach to H plus. What we will get here? Can you see this thing? What is this?
So, water, sir.
It is water. So water is a good living group or poor living group?
So it's a
Good living group.
yes, sir.
Remember, OH was not a good living group. OH was a poor living group. But water is a good living group. So we made OH converted into H2O. And we will lose water from here. What we are going to get? We are going to get here carbocation. This carbocation is stable, or can we draw more stable carbocation?
This is more stable, sir.
This is more stable. We can't rearrange it. So just simply show the attack of Cl minus. Cl minus is coming from HCl only. So we'll get this thing as a product. This is SN1 in alcohol. This is SN1 in alcohol. Okay. It will always take place for 3 degree. 2 degree, sometime SN2 also goes. So I will discuss 2 degree when SN1 will be completed. Oh, SN2 will be completed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Instead of it writing with 1 degree amine, you just write with amines. Can you write the major product here? Have you written this one? Written?
Yes, sir.
Now what about this? Can you start the reaction? How reaction will start?
So now H will go get attached and form ammonia, sir.
Yes. Like that. Again, NH2 is a poor living group. NH2 is a
Yes, sir.
poor living group. So we are converting that poor living group into good living group, like that. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What happened in the next step? This will be your product. I hope you can see your NH2 is got replaced by Br minus. NH2
Yes,
got
sir.
replaced by Br minus. It is only possible in presence of protic medium. Which path it took? SN1 or SN2? It took SN1 path because carbocation is formed, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Just a second. Wait a second. Just a second. ये बाहर से बंद कर दिया क्या? तो बाहर से क्या बंद कर दिया? गजब छू दिया आपने। बाहर से क्या बंद किया है? अरे यार, अरे एक सेकंड, रुकना जस्ट a second। मुझे लगा आंधी हमने तो देखा। ओके, अंधेरा हो गया पूरा। हाँ, okay, so with ether, let's take an example of ether. See, everything is similar.
Yes, sir.
Remember, in ether must be connected to here 3-degree carbon, like that. Okay. Do again the similar reaction. Let's say H plus and Cl minus. Can you make the product? How reaction will start?
So first H will go get attached to lone pair of
Yes.
those.
Very good. We'll have this. Okay. What next?
Now
Now I hope you have seen that oxygen has made 3 bonds. Oxygen
Yes, sir.
has made 3 bonds. So oxygen would
bonds.
like to break one of its bonds. Oxygen would like to break one of its bonds. Tell me which bond it will break, left or right?
So
Right, sir.
Right bond. So that we will get
Yes.
more stable carbocation, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
yes.
Like this. What next? See, this is stable.
Yes, sir.
Now what next?
Then Cl will come on.
Yes.
Cl will combine with
Cl will combine to give you this. I hope it is clear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Actually, there is some sort of a storm has come in my place. So I will end the class here only. Okay. Tomorrow I will give some more questions. Just note
Yes,
these
sir.
down. Okay. Electricity is gone actually. Bye.
Yes, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir.